when you don't have sewer systems, water systems to plug into, you need something totally off the grid. The Sol-Char system, works off concentrated solar and basically can treat all your waste then and there, and avoid the potential contamination issues and hygiene issues associated with having a polluted environment.
It's waterless, so it's addressing a sanitation crisis that not a lot of people think about. When people think about solving the sanitation, a lot of people aspire to a flush toilet, but that's not necessarily sustainable in the long run.
So we're trying to come up with something that's a little different than that doesn't need an entire network of power and water, and that can run totally off the grid just by itself, that will treat human waste and turn it into something that's not only pathogen-free but also has value.
We use concentrated solar power. It concentrates the sun almost 2,000 times. We transmit the power through fiber optic cables, which only one other group in the world has done.
The technology we're using in the Sol-Char toilet is not only designed to disinfect waste, but it's also designed to yield useful products. And so this actually can create financial incentives to make the Sol-Char toilet sustainable.
Another really unique feature of our toilet is that it produces this really cool, usable, valuable end product. So biochar, which not only are we treating human waste, but we're also creating this valuable thing out of it, which can be used for energy or for a soil amendment. And so I think that's really great, because we're taking something that used to be trash and we're turning it into something of value.
Trying to figure out a way to bring something that is so almost out there to engineer it down to practicality, and we're not there yet, so it's a challenge that we're still working on. So we want to get to a point where we can put this out into the field, into a slum environment, into a peri-urban environment, high-density area, or a rural area. We're looking at various options, but right now the challenge is how do we bring that, what we've developed as a proof of concept, to something that's going to be more practical and durable. And we've got some great ideas, but it's still something that we're working on.
Yeah, we have enough energy to treat a lot of waste in a small amount of time, and we have the means to collect it and transmit it reliably. It's a matter of putting the right materials together and make it more affordable.
Ultimate success would be if this is something that local people can produce, replicate, improve upon, and also maintain for a long-term use. So that's the ultimate vision.
Ultimate vision is to develop the technology enough so that we can make a big contribution to the problem of human sanitation. And we're hoping that with our product, with our toilet, that we can contribute not only to our own product and developing our own toilet and our own solution, but contribute to the whole Reinvent the Toilet Challenge program. There's about 15 different teams working on various solutions, and everyone's doing a uniquely different approach to the problem. And for us, we want to be able to contribute a number of things, both in the areas of solar energy and development of solar energy resources for using it for treating waste. We want to develop our knowledge about biochar and producing biochar. We also want to contribute to the knowledge base of disinfecting fecal material. So I think, for us to contribute to the overall program of the Reinvent the Toilet Challenge, and to hopefully parts of our solution will be, adopted in a general solution that comes out of the whole program. And that's really, at least our vision, and I think the vision of the foundation as well, to really come up with not just one toilet, or this toilet's the best or that one's not the best, but really what are the aspects of all the programs that we can pull together and create a solution, in the next 2-3 years to be out in the field and really, have a big impact on the sanitation problem.